Cats have always been creatures of mystery, their behaviors sometimes baffling even the most experienced pet owners. One behavior that leaves many cat owners wondering is when their feline companions lick them. It's a strange yet endearing action, often leading to questions about what it truly means. Is your cat showing affection, marking you as part of its territory, or is there something more behind this peculiar feline habit? Licking in cats is a natural behavior rooted in both their evolutionary history and social structures. From the moment they are born, kittens are licked by their mothers. This is not just to keep them clean but also to stimulate their bodily functions and to create a strong bond. The mother's tongue is a tool for both care and connection, teaching kittens that licking is a form of social interaction. As they grow, kittens often continue this behavior with their littermates, engaging in mutual grooming, which strengthens their bonds and establishes their place in the social hierarchy. When a cat licks its owner, it could very well be expressing affection. In a cat's world, grooming is a sign of trust and closeness. By licking you, your cat is including you in its inner circle, treating you the way it would treat a trusted companion. It's a behavior deeply ingrained in feline social interactions. Some cats may even purr while licking, further reinforcing the idea that they associate this action with comfort and positive feelings. However, licking isn't always just about affection. Cats also use licking as a way to mark their territory. Unlike spraying, which is a much more obvious territorial marker, licking is a subtle but effective way for a cat to claim something, or someone, as its own. Cats have scent glands in their tongues, and when they lick you, they are leaving behind their scent. In a multi-cat household, this behavior can be especially significant. By licking their favorite human, a cat may be sending a clear message to other pets in the home: this human belongs to me. It's a gentle but possessive act, a way for your cat to reinforce its bond with you while making sure its scent is present on you. Beyond affection and territory marking, licking can also be linked to comfort and stress relief. Some cats develop a habit of licking their owners when they feel anxious. It's comparable to how humans might bite their nails or fidget with their hands. The repetitive motion of licking releases endorphins, which help cats feel calm and relaxed. If a cat suddenly starts licking excessively, it could be a sign of stress, a response to changes in the environment, or even a sign of an underlying health issue. If licking seems compulsive or is accompanied by other unusual behaviors, it may be worth consulting a veterinarian to rule out any potential problems. Interestingly, licking can sometimes be a way for a cat to encourage social interaction. If your cat licks you and then nudges you or meows, it might be trying to get your attention. This behavior is particularly common in cats that were bottle-fed as kittens or those that formed strong bonds with their human caregivers at an early age. For these cats, licking might be an attempt to recreate the nurturing experiences of kittenhood. Another possible reason for a cat licking its owner is taste. Cats have an incredibly keen sense of smell, and if they detect something interesting on your skin, such as salt from sweat, the scent of food, or even lotion, they might start licking to explore further. Some cats are particularly drawn to salty flavors, which is why they may seem especially interested in licking their owner's hands or arms after a workout. This kind of licking is usually brief and more exploratory than affectionate, but it can still be a sign that your cat is curious about you. While licking is generally harmless, there are times when it can become problematic. A cat's tongue is covered in tiny, hook-like structures called papillae, which give it a rough texture. These papillae are designed to help cats groom themselves by catching loose fur and debris, but when used on human skin, they can feel like sandpaper. Excessive licking can sometimes cause irritation or discomfort, especially if your cat focuses on a particular spot repeatedly. If this becomes an issue, gently redirecting your cat's attention with a toy or offering a treat can help discourage the behavior. There are also cases where licking could indicate an underlying health concern. Some cats lick excessively due to allergies, skin conditions, or even nutritional deficiencies. If your cat suddenly starts licking more than usual, particularly in combination with hair loss or skin irritation, it might be time for a vet visit. Licking can sometimes be a symptom of discomfort, and addressing any potential health issues early can prevent more serious problems later on. It's also worth noting that some cat breeds are more prone to licking than others. Certain breeds, like Siamese and Burmese cats, are known for their affectionate and social nature, which may make them more likely to engage in licking behaviors. These breeds tend to form strong bonds with their owners and often seek out physical contact as a way of reinforcing those relationships. On the other hand, some independent breeds may rarely lick their owners at all, preferring other ways of showing affection, such as rubbing against them or sitting nearby. In the end, when your cat licks you, it is often a combination of affection, social bonding, marking territory, and possibly even curiosity. Every cat is different, and understanding the motivations behind this behavior can help strengthen your relationship with your feline companion. If the licking is welcome, consider it a compliment. Your cat sees you as a trusted member of its family. If it becomes too much, gentle redirection and providing alternative sources of stimulation can help keep things balanced. Either way, this quirky habit is just another example of the fascinating ways cats communicate with the humans they love.